At Belle Isle doing some slinging. The rain stopped. Got my smaller sling. Kind of make my arm hurt a little bit, to be honest, but it's fun. I like slinging. I don't know why I ever stopped. This is a pretty rock. I'm gonna say this. It's a pretty rock, pretty color, but I'll launch it. See if I can do this one sideways. Yep, sideways, and right where I was aiming. See, this is pretty, but it's dirty, so I'm gonna throw it. Uh-oh. That was a pretty rock, but it's dirty, so might as well throw it. Like a marble size. Small ones you gotta spin them faster to launch them. Big ones you can go nice and slow. You go fast with the big ones though. Whoa. This is my last one. It's pretty rock. And it's starting to rain, so it's gonna be the last one. All right, hit my target, ready to go. It's raining again. Yeah, so split pouch for sure. Better for, tennis balls, bigger rocks. I need some more rocks already. I didn't think I was gonna throw that many. So, but the solid pouches, yeah, definitely a lot better for the smaller rocks. Since the smaller rocks don't have as much mass, you gotta spin them faster to launch them. But yeah, the bigger ones, you can take your time with those. Smaller ones, you gotta speed up a little bit though. When you're twirling it around.